Hey guys, we did it. We hit 1 million subscribers. Wow, this is amazing. I wanted to personally create a little video to thank you, okay, from the bottom of my heart. As of yesterday, February 4th, 2018, we finally hit 1 million subscribers. So you know, YouTube has been an amazing platform to engage with you, to connect with people all over the world. So I just wanted to personally thank you for subscribing, for sharing, for spreading the word, for making comments. Not only do we have 1 million subscribers, but we have 1 million very cool subscribers. You guys are great. You're hilarious, you're intelligent, you're kind, and I just wanted to thank you. So I really hope these videos have been helpful to you. And I just want to thank you for letting me help you. Not everyone lets you help them. I'm sure you know people who you try to help and they reject your help. So you guys are letting me help you, and I really appreciate that. So as a celebration for hitting 1 million subscribers, I'm going to do a giveaway. We're going to give away 25 keto kits. If you don't know what that is, it's a combination of my bigger book, the smaller book, nutritional yeast tablets, the lemon wheatgrass powder, the electrolyte powder, all in a kit. So we're going to give away 25 keto kits this week. So here's how it's going to work. All you have to do is share a post on something that I helped you with, okay? You watched a video, you learned something, and you got a result. Just share your post, a before and after picture, your story, anything, okay? And then type in the text, hashtag Dr. Berg, D-R-B-E-R-G, so we can find you on social media and pick a winner. Now, if you wanted to create a YouTube video on your success, just send it to reviews@drberg.com so we can add it to the equation, okay? So again, share your success with something that I helped you with. Type in the text, hashtag Dr. Berg, no dot or anything, it's just D-R-B-E-R-G, and we will select a winner in a week. So again, thank you so much. I really appreciate you guys. I'll see you in the next video.